Alright guys, just launched at the Vilano ramp here. I'm gonna make the run over to the bridge. See if we get on some reds and maybe some tarpon. Boat traffic today might make them a little skittish, but let's see what we can figure out. Got our first jack of the day. If you guys want to see more fishing like this, make sure you like and subscribe. I'll be pulling all kinds of fish in like this. I got multiple lines out, 2 live shrimp, live finger mullet on the surface, and a bigger mullet on the bottom. Hoping something comes through here. Slower morning so far, but only been here for 5 or 10 minutes, so see what happens. Another wonderful catfish. Gotta love them. Alright guys, we're gonna give the inlet a try here. Looks like I started recording at just the right time. Oh, he might have got it off. No? Smaller? Yep. Oh, nice little snapper.
Is this what?
I don't know, he might be. Let's take a look. So we just double check that he makes 10 and toss him in the cooler. I'll definitely take a little snapper, make some tacos. Yeah, he's 10.
It's a good one too.
Yeah. All right.
Good start.
Well, yeah, glad we moved. Bridge is working out a little slow for us, so decided to make a move over to the inlet. Just gonna fish some live shrimp on the bottom here, using some offset circle hooks. See what else we pull out. Oh, he pulled the hook. Damn it. Felt like another mangrove. Maybe another mangrove. Yeah. And a catfish.
I can't take it.
There you go. It's your fish of choice. Bumps. Catfish. Some trash on the water that we can clean up and benefit from. What do we got? DOA. Well,
there you go.
Got that 25% full pack, but I'll take it.
Free.
Yeah.
$3.99.
Better than turtle eating it or something too.
Yeah.
All right, moving spots again. Trying over by the bridge lines here. See what we have going on. Just gonna try a little finger mullet first. Might switch to artificial after. Some bigger jacks in here. This rod might be a little light. All right, move back inshore a little bit. Got a little flounder here. Oh, that's a nice hookup. You'll be able to get that out. There you go. Working some shrimp along the shoreline here. Having some luck. Definitely not slot, but still a nice looking fish.
Teeth.
Oh yeah.
Pretty
Not
fish.
bad. Yeah.
There
goes back to the bottom. I grab the net. Oh, nope, toadfish. Well, felt big. Felt like a flounder. I think it's a ladyfish. Yeah, it is. I'm just gonna swing it in. I'm not gonna swing it in.
There you go.
It's got a little weight.
Net?
Yeah, it's got some head shake. Yeah, I got it. That's about time we pulled something out of here. Oh, he's holding kind of deep. Might be a catfish or a toadfish for all I know. The way this day's been going. It's got some color. Jack? Probably Jack. Yeah. Oh, it's like, nope.
There you go.
It's not bad. I'll take it. Not a bad fish. Look, you can see the worms under him. Oh, he got off. They're popping off right here. Not what we want, but I'll take it. Oh, he's back. I see him. Oh, come on.
He's gonna come back.
Come get it.
Oh, he's still there.
Oh, he's hit it. There. Oh, come on, dude. There he is. Oh, right here at the side of the boat. There he, oh, come on. Oh, he was back on it too. That's awesome.
So hard right now.
Yeah, I mean, at the very least, they're fun to catch. They're explosive, especially when they're feeding like this. Yes. Come on. Oh, no, there he is. Oh, I still got my mullet. Sorry, little buddy. Good luck. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. Chase it out of there. There he is. Oh, every time they jump. No. Is that a toadfish? Better not be. Catfish. Shit. Oh, come on. Stay on.
That had a, looks like this could have been a trout.
I think it's a, yep, it's a lady. Oh. Stop, stop. In you go. Very nice.
Let's go.
All right, got a nice flounder here.
It's on left here.
No, it's small. Definitely not. Might be a trout. Yeah, it's a little trout. Nice, man.
It's a good spot, man.
Yeah.
I'm glad we came over here.
Yeah, it's probably about 10 or 11. Little trout. Nice, man. 12 inches probably. All about the same size, but you catch those all day. Those are fun.
Yeah, he fell out.
And this dude has flipped his kayak twice now. Hang on, I'm gonna try to get a clip of him there. He's swimming around. He lost a bunch of his stuff again. This is the second time this dude flipped. He's cussing at every boat that comes by, but
Yeah, he's
you know,
out.
at the same time, it's... Alright. Nope, I got Florida.
Is that,
There it goes.
I can't figure out if that's one kayak or two. I thought there was 2 people talking to him.
Yeah, I think so. This dude just keeps flipping out of his kayak though, and yet he's not leaving the river.
Yeah.
A lot of good backwater behind us here. First I would have felt bad for him, but he's been cussing left and right and throwing a fit, cussing at every boat that goes by. Can only feel so bad.
On a weekend.
Yeah, I mean, everybody's responsible for their wake, but you know, you're not in a no wake zone. You're pretty far from the channel. A lot of people probably don't even notice this guy over here. And it's probably law enforcement going by right now and they don't even see him.
Got something floating out there too.
Hey, did you guys lose a hat? No. Did you guys lose a hat?
Yes. Have you seen anything else floating around?
Yeah.
Like, you know, not much luck to it, but
Yeah. Wait, give it a toss.
sir.
Yep, no problem.
Found another goddamn phone.
No problem.
I got a clip most of it. He looks strong. He might be strong.
Nice.
I don't think he's gonna flow.
Yeah, let's get him on the stick. Let's see. Let's see if he makes a cut. Yeah, he makes it.
You want him?
Yeah. Got him? Catfish? Is it? Bonnethead? Yeah.
GoPro.
Probably about 30 minutes into this now. Yeah, it's not fun. It's no sign of giving up. It is a big ray. Not what we were hoping for, but you're not going back down. And in this. That's a nice ray. He's got one more run left, I think. We're hoping for a redfish or maybe tarpon, black drum, trout. Probably not a trout here, but just about anything but a ray. We were only gonna fish for about 10 more minutes. Been on the hook for this, what, half an hour or more? So, saw color, got him next to the boat. He woke back up. A little bit of pressure. There he is. That is a big bitch.
You know how easy it is for sitting on current?
Yeah.
Going all the way.
Yeah, go ahead. Oh, he's got another big hook in him. All right, guys. We're gonna head back in now. I think I got my workout in for the day. Yeah. Big Ray, it was a respectable fight. The current was working in his favor, but got him in. Not what we were hoping. He had a whole pinfish. We had a few ladyfish lines out too, but had a fresh dead pinfish on. Probably about 5-inch fish, and he just tagged it. So good fight, fun fish, and gonna head back in, get the boat cleaned up. Definitely throw a like and subscribe if you want to watch more videos. Definitely have some more videos coming up in the future, and hopefully some more bull reds and less rays.